high-level affiliate program. Hey, what's up? It's Adam with DIY Agency, and today we're going to talk about the high-level affiliate program. You may know it as Go High Level because that's their web address. But really, this is a platform that's set up. It's a SaaS platform that's set up for small businesses, local advertising agencies to better run their operations. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes because I am a customer of High Levels, but I'm also going to show you the affiliate program and why I'm making a ton of money, and I think you can make a ton of money doing it as well. So let's start with their affiliate program. So if you do get into High Level, and there's a link below to check it out. They're really focusing on agency owners and affiliates for their affiliate marketing program. They pay 40% of every new client that you bring to them. So really, as you can see, this is what the page would look like on their actual landing page for High Level. It is focused on agencies and marketers. It's an all-in-one program, and I'll walk you through what that is in a second. It is a 14-day free trial. So the beautiful part about this is you can get people started and help walk them through it for 14 days for free. And if they love it, then they stay with it. And if they don't, then they move on. And so for me, it's an absolute no-brainer to promote because it literally costs them nothing to try it out. There's over 20,000 agencies that are using this, 1.2 million businesses. As you can imagine, that's a lot, and so they've really taken over the market, focusing on just building agencies and building small businesses, capturing new clients for them. So everything is really focused on like automation and really they're moving into AI as well now. But really what it does is it replaces a lot of different service offerings. One of them that's really taken a hit since these guys have come around is ClickFunnels. But it works with WordPress, works with regular websites, but it really takes away the need for a ton of different apps and software services. So overall, there are a couple different options on pricing, which I'll get into, and you need to have an understanding of that. And I'm showing you this just because I think it's important that everybody be a client. However, it's not required to be a client in order to do that. So they have a $97 program, which is your starter program, and then the unlimited program, which is $297. Now they have another program which is a little bit more expensive, but I'm not going to get into that right now. But again, I do want to just showcase that it's $97 to get started per month, but there's a 14-day free trial. So if your agency or the business does not want to continue using it after 14 days, then obviously there's no cost involved. So let's just prove that I am a client. I have a number. I'm not going to hit this drop down because I have a number of clients of mine as my agency runs this practice on High Level. I have customized it to be my own, so people don't know that they're running High Level, even though they are running High Level in the background. So I'm able to kind of charge based on that for the services I offer. And I'm not going to show you kind of the opportunities or anything, but you can track the client. We'll have a login, and they can track, how many leads have come in, how many are open, how many have closed, all that stuff. You can check in conversations via email, text, all that stuff. You can have a booking calendar involved, obviously all your contacts, but really where it comes into play is the marketing and the automation. So you can create email autoresponders that involve text messaging. You can have voicemail drops, all this amazing stuff. You can build websites, you can build funnels, you can build forms, you can build it all in one platform. And that's why this thing is just so awesome, is it really kicks butt. Now they're doing reputation management, and you can run all this stuff as an agency for local businesses. Local businesses can sign up directly and do this, but really it's all about having an efficient marketing program in place, and this tool helps you do it without having to pay for an ad agency, or if you are an ad agency, it helps to be an all-in-one solution for clients. So let's get back to the affiliate program. So they offer a couple different things. They offer kind of a behind-the-scenes how to become an affiliate, how to promote, how to set up webhooks, 5 ways to get they're really working with you to become an affiliate marketer for their platform. There are monthly contests that they have where you create the content. They reward people with like $1,000 for the best video, or based on subjects on TikTok or on YouTube or Instagram, all this different stuff. They have a kind of a monthly leaderboard that they show every month to show who's winning, who's doing well, and so they're really about rewarding affiliates. Sometimes companies just really don't care about their affiliates, but they have dedicated staff for their affiliate program and help teach how to promote HighLevel. So I definitely recommend it. I do want to show you that, again, as an affiliate, I'm not just trying to tell you that, again, something I don't do. I am a customer. As I showed you here, I am an affiliate. This is my past 6 months on their front end program, but I did want to also show they have a SaaS program too that, again, you can be an affiliate for. And I just want to show you that it's all recurring income. That I'm not bringing in tons of customers every month or anything like that. This is all just stuff that I built a while ago, so I get passive income every single month from them. And again, once you become an affiliate, there is links to access course assets, how the help articles, FAQs, all that stuff. So there's a lot of great opportunities to make a lot of money on a recurring business platform where you don't even have to do the work. HighLevel will do the work for you, whether in teaching and training people how to utilize the HighLevel platform, or more importantly, just teaching and training you how to promote the affiliate program. So again, I'm going to have a link below. This is without question one of my favorite affiliate programs to work with. The staff is amazing. The actual product is amazing, which is really half the battle. When you're promoting this, you're actually promoting a really high quality, probably the number one SaaS platform out there for agencies. And so if you're reaching out to agencies or small businesses, or you have any kind of contact with them, this is absolutely a number one platform that you should be promoting to those people. So hopefully this is helpful. If you do have any questions, please fire them off down in the comments. I obviously will put a link below. It would be great if you use my link to sign up, but by all means, just check out HighLevel, give them a 14-day try, see if it works for your business, but most importantly, sign up for their affiliate program and start promoting and making some money for yourself. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you on the other side.